Next topic is characteristics of embedded system. Characteristics of embedded system. Characteristics of embedded system. Okay, so which are the characteristics of embedded system? First one is processor power. Processor power. Second, memory. Second is memory. Third one is operating system. Operating system. Then reliability. Reliability. Then unit cost. Unit cost. Then size. Size. Then performance. Performance. There are number of characteristics of embedded system, but due to first of all we see from processor power to performance, then next one. Okay, so this processor power, selection of processor power is based on the amount of processing power to get the job done and the register width required. Okay, the second one is memory. This consists of several types of memories like RAM, ROM, EPROM, PROM, etc. Okay, again flash memory, embedded flash memory can be used as instead of secondary memory. These are the different types of memory used by this embedded system. Okay, RAM, ROM, PROM, EPROM. Okay, and flash memory can be used as a secondary memory. Then operating system. In operating system, which are the operating systems? That is embedded OS, RTOS, mobile OS. These are the operating systems occupy very less space in the area in memory than desktop. Okay. Then reliability. Next topic is reliability. Embedded system often resides in machines that are expected to run continuously for years without errors, and in some cases recover by themselves if an error occurs. Reliability. ठीक है, reliability means, reliability क्या होता है? It can be run continuously. It can be run continuously for years without any errors. But if there is any error comes, then this can be replaced by the manufacturing company or manufacturer. Okay. Then unit cost. The monetary cost of manufacturing each copy of the system, excluding non-recurring engineering cost. Then size. Physical space required by the system, often measured in bytes for software and gates or transistor for hardware. Size. This size is used in the form of bits, in the form of bytes or software. bytes of software and number of transistor and gates for हार्डवेयर. ठीक है, हम सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए इसका साइज क्या में यूज करेंगे, बाइट्स में यूज करेंगे. मेजर्ड इन इट्स फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर द साइज ऑफ एम्बेडेड सिस्टम इज in bytes, and for hardware the number of transistor gates we are using. Okay, then performance the execution time or throughout of the system. Performance means जो एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम लगेगा और उसी को बोलेंगे आप उसका परफॉर्मेंस. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज in continuation. Next, characteristics. Power, then flexibility. Power, then flexibility. Time to market. Time to market. Time to prototype. Time to prototype. Correctness. These are the again the features of the embedded system. And next one is safety. What do you mean by this? क्या होता है ये पावर क्या होता है? This power is nothing but the amount of power consumed by the system which determines the lifetime of battery or the cooling requirements of the IC. Since more power means more heat. Okay, अगर more power है तो सिस्टम में क्या होगा, more heat जनरेट होगा. Flexibility. Next one is flexibility, the ability to change the functionality of the system without incurring heavy cost is called as an flexibility. Okay, अगर इस flexibility means अगर इसमें कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाता है कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह में तो हम इजीली उसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. That is the characteristics of embedded system. Time to market. This is the amount of time required to design and manufacture the system to the point the system can be sold to customer. ये कस्टमर को हम जो हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है बिकने तक का जो टाइम लगेगा that is time to market. Time to prototype, the amount of time to build the working version of the system which may be bigger or more expensive than the final system implementation but can be used to verify the system usefulness and correctness. Next one is correctness, the confidence that we have implement the systems functionally correct. Okay, this is the characteristics of the embedded system. Correctness means what the system we have developed that must be correct. And next one is safety, means it is the probability that the system will not cause harm, that the probability that the system does not cause any harm, that is the safety of this. Safety is one of the characteristics of this embedded system. Okay, then